A parent is a teacher at home, and the teacher is a parent in school, and the child is the center of our universe. Namaste. This is Mr. Govardhan, in charge Senior Secondary Sciences. Dear parents and students, welcome back to the session 2020. I hope you all spent your valuable time with your family members, and I believe all my students are punctual in submission of holiday homework. Dear parents, I hope we understand the massive closure present a daunting challenge for both students and parents, yet we would seek your cooperation in the wake of this pandemic, so we are planning to continue the process to provide fruitful experience for our children through online classes 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. with 10 minutes gap among 5 periods, that is Monday to Friday academics, and on Saturday they will have a co-curricular classes or online competitions for holistic development. So, our teachers will prepare for the distant learning online content, pre recorded videos, taking live online classes, preparing worksheets, assignments, and assessments from home. Hence, we are soliciting your support. We would request you to make necessary arrangements at home like Wi Fi connections, accessibility to laptops or Android phones, etc., so that our children can attend without any disturbance. We have checked out a digital plan and weekly schedule through Neverskip. We will post timetable and online class link in Neverskip parental portal so that we will have a track of attendance as 75% of attendance is mandatory, which is mentioned by the CBSE, and all teachers will upload homework assignments in Neverskip portal. Then students will download the same, and after completion, students should upload the single file in Neverskip in PDF within the time limit. Otherwise, clearly it shows that the work is incomplete. Later, teachers will view it and give comments for the same. We will conduct online assessments too, which will be intimated through Neverskip or WhatsApp 1 week prior. It's my humble request to all parents to please check every day whether your child is attending the classes or not, whether your child is submitting the homework or not in Neverskip. During the COVID 19 lockdown, e learning poses a challenge to both teachers and students. We expect the students to apply the best practices to adequate the help teachers conduct effective ones. So, some important points to be followed during online sessions. Always be on time just before 5 minutes to the scheduled time. Keep a pen and paper handy and the books of the respective subject. Find a quiet place to sit and create a neat, uncluttered space for the laptop or phone. Sit there every day for all classes. Make sure that your gadget battery, mic, network connection, and camera are working. Dress in a way that is modest, clean, and avoid any unnecessary distractions. Have a clean and non distracting background. Keep the mic on mute when you are not speaking. Give your full focus attention by keeping the camera on. Stay in the center of the screen, neither too high nor too low. Camera should be at the face level and should maintain a distance of 30 inches or one arm distance. Eating is not considered decent during online classes. Light should be in front of you, not behind, not beside. Very important point, use proper language in chat box. Avoid using uppercase letters. This is often considered the equivalent of shouting. Be safe, be happy. Thank you all parents.